So hello everyone. Today when I was reading one book, one topic came across. It was written over there, the dominant thoughts rule the day. And it's true. You cannot anticipate positive results for the rest of the day when you do a little exercise once in a week and you think that that will get you the positive results. It won't give you. It never gives. If you feel there's a positive result, if I keep thinking only for 2 seconds and 3 seconds, and for the rest of the day I keep thinking negative, I keep dwelling on the negative thoughts, so how I can get the positive results? You need to bring dominant thoughts for ruling the day in your mind. And dominant thoughts come when you really practice. I cannot make myself physically fit if I do a little exercise once in a week and feel that I will become. No, I will never become. I will never be healthy. If I take the healthy diet, healthy low calorie diet once in a week, and next day I have been taking ice cream and all, how these all things can affect my body? I won't be healthy. Same is with the our positive thoughts. When you think of any positive thought only for some seconds and whole day you dwell on the negative thoughts, it means you are not gonna get the positive results. So you need to bring the dominant thought pattern in your life. How you can bring the dominant thought pattern in your life? When you practice. And it is said already, you become what you think about, and it's a real thing, and it has been expressed by the dominant thought. You become what you think about. It means really what you keep thinking, you will become, and you become. If I keep thinking of something that is negative, 100%, the aspiration which I have been having in my mind, 100% it would get me the negative thoughts. If I am telling I have no problem, believe in me, I will not have any problem after having lots of problems also. Why? Because I have brought the dominant thought pattern in my mind, in my life, in my day-to-day routine. So whenever you think, you anticipate any positive result without practicing about positive things. How could you get it? That's not fair. So whenever you want to make something better in your life, you need to start practicing best. If you think of something good, you need to practice better. And that can come when you have got the dominant thought pattern. This dominating thought can rule your whole day, and you can get the win-win situation, because what you feel you will tell others, and others also will get the benefits through your this journey. So this would be the win-win situation. And win-win situation happens when you are telling others, they also win, and you are also getting the benefits through this. So always bring the dominant thought pattern in your life whenever you want to get the good results. If you have liked this video, guys, please do subscribe to my channel, and please keep liking these sorts of videos. Through these, at least I have been getting motivated. So kind of you. Thanks for listening to me. Have a nice time ahead.